Okay guys, part 2, 1973 Volkswagen thing. As you can see, we have stripped the paint on this side for the most part. It's looking really good. There is rust. There's things we have to fix for sure, but it's not terrible. So our floor pans are supposed to be here Friday, day after Thanksgiving. So we went ahead and cut out for the most part, the horrible parts of the floor that were gonna cut us and hurt us in preparation for that. And now we've removed all the body bolts, just got done with it. And we are getting ready to remove the body from the frame. And then the fun part starts. We're going to basically redo everything. And we got a lot of parts coming. A lot of the suspension stuff is here. We just gotta get this off so we can actually get to it. Clean everything up, paint everything, whatnot. That's what's coming next. There's part of the old floor hanging down. Something else that we did, my front beam here, as you guys can see, is pretty shot on both sides. So I found a guy on the Samba forums over in Claremont, Florida, which is about an hour away. And these are our other cars, by the way. That's my 1963 Chrysler 300. It's a 383 big block, 4-speed car. And that's my dad's 1940 Ford 2-door sedan. It's 350 4-speed. So the guy in Claremont sold me this beam, which was, as of yesterday, it was rusty and nasty. I went ahead and cleaned it all up. No rust on this one. Put in new Zerk fittings, new grease fittings, got everything, the old leaves out and whatnot, cleaned all that up. And yeah, so this is ready to go under that as soon as we get things cleaned up. But yeah, I'll show you guys the cars here. So this is Dad's 40. It's not done yet, but it's getting there. We're actually going to the turkey run next weekend, I guess it is. This weekend? This weekend. And be looking for a new grill, maybe some wheels. Then this is my 63 Chrysler 300. There are not a lot of these out there, boys. It's a pretty rare car. I'm gonna be looking for valve covers and air cleaner, so on and so forth, to kind of finish this thing out a little bit. A wiring harness, desperately needed. But they both start, run, drive. Not bad. But this is what we've got. The thing is coming together. We've got new parts coming in every day. We got boxes of parts. And we're gonna go ahead and get this thing separated here and do it. So this is part 2. This is I guess stripping and dismantling. And the next video will be suspension, floor pans, tunnel repair, all of that. So you guys will see all of that, and we'll keep going here. So this is what we got. So I want to say thanks to you guys on the Samba forums. Really been a big help. Just getting some parts for this that have been that we clearly need. And now some of our tools we got a sheet metal brake. We're thinking about, since this is so bad and I can't find it anywhere, we're thinking about getting a bead roller, making these and selling them. So this whole piece here for things we're thinking about doing. So if anybody's interested in that, leave a comment and let me know. And if you are, we'll we'll be doing something here shortly, and we can get together and maybe we can help you out, help each other out. So otherwise, this is part 2. We're getting there. Here in the next 5 minutes, we're going to lift this thing off, and the next video should be pretty interesting. All right, guys, we'll see you when we see you. Thanks.